Hello guys and hi everyone. Today I am with Traffic Sniper review. So this is the members area. Exactly, this is the members area of this tool, and inside this video I will give you a whole review of this tool, and you will be also available with my bonuses if you just purchase it from this website. Basically I will be given some commissions if you purchase it from my link. So that is the thing, that is why I am asking you to get this tool from my website. So I will be giving you so much bonuses, like I am working on this field for so many days. So you can click on these buttons. There are two more buttons given inside this page to check out the product sales page. This is the product sales page, and from there you can get the tool within just 17 bucks. Okay, so this is the product price, and you will be available with also the guarantee period, like 60 days money back guarantee is available. And I'm not sure about 60 days, but I surely can give you 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, because the platform from where you are purchasing, the Warrior Plus platform, is totally the money back guarantee is totally scrutinized by them. That is why you can get the refund within 30 days. Okay, so that is the thing. Let me show you now the product, then I will cover up the bonuses. So in this product you will be given all solution for traffic, like the done for you solutions and the software and the tutorial resources, all and everything. So let me click on this Traffic Sniper section. Like, this is the main section of this tool. Inside the Traffic Sniper you will be taught to register by using the email you are purchasing the tool. Exactly that email would work inside this tool. Like, you need to give the email, and then you can grab the automated software, the Sniper app. And apart from that, this is the Sniper app. I have not used it. I have not used the Sniper app. And apart from that, you will be given the training section. You can use the training section, like very detailed training section. And this is the ninja training. I am telling that it is detailed because I have seen the minutes of the video. I have not gone through each of the videos, but I have seen the minutes of the video. That's why I am telling that detailed video. So apart from that, the autoresponder section, the affiliate settings, like all-in-one done for you affiliate pack. This is an all-in-one done for you affiliate pack is given to you inside this stuff, inside this 17 bucks. So now choice is yours, like you wanna give money inside a pizza or something burger, or you wanna give this kind of thing for your knowledge, for your future growth. So that is the thing. And inside the affiliate sites, the ClickBank and other affiliate sites can be linked inside this. And the email marketing, inside the email marketing, the done for you pages are given. Let me show you, it is taking some time. So these are the done for you email pages. As you can see, you can install them inside your hosted server, and you can use them. And also you can click on the preview section to get a preview of the done for you page, of the landing page, and pretty much high converting landing pages. As you can see from the small icon, I am not sure if you can look at that, but the thing is, I am showing you the exact page in a zoom view. This is the exact page, and also timer, also everything is given. Pretty much needed things are given, you can see here. So apart from that, the pay-per-click advertisement and broadcast email and instant traffic source, that is solo ads training is given. And that is the thing. I think I have cleared you each and every options from the top, and inside the top these are the options. There is nothing much leave inside this product to show you. So these are the training section of solo ads. And now let me show you from this page. If you go purchase this tool, why I am telling this, if you click on this, you will be redirected to this page. You can get much more details about this tool, like the testimonials and some more details. The steps are very easy, and you can get the tool from here within 17 bucks, the front end product. If you get that, you will be given the front end bonus, and the front end bonus is 4K in a day, the Traffic Underdog, the Flux app, the Slick app, the Affiliate Robot app, the Rejacker app and Clever app, and Warrior Plus video for newbie or beginners, and Zevizu video course for newbie or beginners. That is the bonus. And apart from the front end product, if you purchase any of the upsells, I will clear you the vendor bonus part after some seconds. Okay, so if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given 350 plus more stuff, like the software, the plugin, the image pack, the music track pack. That is the thing. So a bunch of bonuses will be given to you inside this upsell bonus. If you purchase any of the upsells from this exact page, just click on this and get the front end, and then get the upsells, like any of the upsells. Okay, So let me now clear you the vendor bonus. Like, this is the vendor bonus. I have just put it to make the page decorative. Like, let me show you. So sorry, from this page I can show you that if I just scroll down in a faster way. So these bonuses, sorry, it has not come yet. Sorry, just forgive me for the ringtone. So these bonuses will be given to you from the vendor, and that comes by default. You do not have to do, you can purchase it from anywhere. So that was the tool. You can click on this button and you can get the product. Then you can click on access affiliate bonus, and I am please apologizing for the ringtone. Okay, so I am signing out for this video. Thank you that you have given your time. Bye bye, have a good day.